One of the best things I have done for myself in a long while has been to start this little micro home bakery because I don't do a ton of breads, but I do enough. And this morning I baked, I think it's like 13 loaves and made homemade baklava. And every bit of this has been a challenge. I've learned to make sourdough over the past couple of years, but I had no knowledge of how to do anything on YouTube, how to film, how to do voiceovers for that matter, how to post titles, how to upload. And I guess my point is if you wait for the perfect moment, you're going to be waiting forever and nothing is ever going to happen. And I just decided I'm going to say yes to life and say yes to a challenge. And if you've been holding back on something, I'm telling you, life works for you and life works for me. And I've been through a lot in my life. I was widowed during COVID, and these are kind of the things that I hope to do with my husband. But finally, I'm moving forward, and baking baklava, I have not even baked in years, and I just did it. And you know what? It came out delicious. So, I guess the moral of this story is say yes to life. We're not getting any younger, and just show up for yourself if nothing else, and do what you've been sort of dreaming about. And it doesn't have to be grandiose. It could be simple, beautiful little passions. Like I name my little bakery here. These are all just little passions. And believe me, you'll never regret trying, but you will regret not doing anything.
This feels like a monster.
I mean, look at this dough.
But this is only 9 loaves
Whoever
of
thought
sourdough.
I could manage this much dough, but
Thanks.
you learn.
All right, gonna start.
And then it gets made into beautiful
Running and
sourdough
winging.
bread that I bake and
Shaking.
deliver.